Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you'll be joining me in the kitchen as I prepare maple glazed salmon on a bed of field greens with cherry tomatoes and buttered noodles. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
For this recipe, we're going to need salmon, minced garlic, hoisin sauce, maple syrup, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, your choice of pasta, I'm using penne, cherry tomatoes, field greens, and your choice of black pepper or cayenne pepper. Make sure you have your salted water for your pasta. Now I'm going to remove the skin from the salmon fillet, and if you need a detailed video on this, just let me know and I'll be sure to do it. I'm now going to rinse the salmon with a little bit of cool water, and then I'll also sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice and have it sit for a little while. The pasta water is ready, so I'm just going to place the pasta inside and have it boil for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna get my marinade together by placing all of the ingredients that I listed earlier.
To hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been.
I'm now gonna slice the salmon fillets into smaller portions and add about half of my marinade and then have it refrigerate for about 30 minutes.
Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. Whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been to places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone.
With a little YouTube magic, the fillets have been marinated for 30 minutes. I've turned the broiler on low, and I'm gonna place the fillets in a non-stick oven-safe pan, and you can also use a baking sheet lined with foil, and I'm gonna have them broil in the oven for 10 minutes or until the fillets flake easily.
I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
While the salmon cooks, I'm going to go ahead and drain the pasta and prepare the buttered noodles. For the noodles, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, and also you can use fresh parsley or dried parsley flakes. The salmon is all done, so now I'm gonna brush on each fillet a little bit of the leftover marinade. Now here comes my favorite part, plating. You can use a sweet vinaigrette for the field greens. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. Bye!